Millets, those tiny grains you probably walked right past in the supermarket, have been feeding civilizations in Asia and Africa for bloody centuries. They're a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals. But here's the kicker. Millets are bloody brilliant for your liver. See? Your liver? It's like the unsung hero of your body, filtering out all the crap you put in it. And trust me, most of you are giving it a hard time. Millets can help your liver work at its best, detoxifying your system and keeping those nasty liver diseases at bay. In this video, we're going to show you how to incorporate millets into your diet with 5 delicious recipes that'll have your taste buds singing and your liver thanking you. Get ready to discover the magic of millets. All right, you lot, let's talk breakfast. Are you still shoveling down sugary cereals that'll leave you sluggish and your liver crying for help? Swap that rubbish for a bowl of steaming hot millet porridge. This ain't your grandma's boring porridge. Millet porridge is a blank canvas, ready for your culinary creativity. You can spice it up with cinnamon, cardamom, and a drizzle of honey for a warming and comforting breakfast. But here's the real kicker. Millet porridge is a powerhouse for liver detoxification. It's packed with fiber, which helps sweep out toxins and keeps things moving smoothly. And trust me, a happy gut means a happy liver. Not only that, but millet is also a good source of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects your liver from damage caused by those nasty free radicals. It's like giving your liver a suit of armor against the daily grind. So ditch the processed crap and start your day with a bowl of millet porridge. It's a simple swap that can make a world of difference for your liver health. And if you think it's bland, you're just not doing it right. Get some flavor in there. Lunchtime, and I bet you're reaching for that greasy burger and fries, aren't you? Put the bloody burger down and listen up. We're going to show you how to make a salad that's not only good for your liver but also bursting with flavor. Millet, my friends, makes a phenomenal base for any salad. It's light, fluffy, and has a slightly nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with roasted vegetables, fresh herbs, and a zesty dressing. But here's the real genius of a millet salad. You can load it up with liver-loving ingredients like beetroot, spinach, and walnuts. Beetroot, with its vibrant color, is a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse your liver and improve blood flow. Spinach, that leafy green superhero, is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that protect your liver from damage. And walnuts, with their omega-3 fatty acids, help reduce inflammation and keep your liver functioning at its best. So, ditch the boring salads and get creative with millet. Roast some vegetables, toss in some fresh herbs, and drizzle with a tangy vinaigrette. Your taste buds and your liver will thank you for it. Dinner time. You're tired, you're starving, and the lure of takeout is strong. But hold on. Before you reach for that phone, let me show you how to whip up a quick, easy, and liver-friendly dinner that'll make you forget all about that greasy takeaway. Millet stir-fry is where it's at, people. It's a high-protein, low-fat meal option that's ready in minutes and won't leave you feeling heavy and bloated. Plus, it's a fantastic way to use up any leftover vegetables lurking in your fridge. Start by stir-frying some lean protein like chicken, tofu, or prawns with your favorite vegetables. Then add cooked millet to the pan, toss everything together with a flavorful sauce, and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious dinner. But here's the kicker. Millet's high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy liver. And because it's naturally gluten-free, it's a great option for those with gluten sensitivities. So ditch the takeout menus and get stir-frying with millet. It's a delicious and healthy way to end your day without overloading your liver. Pancakes? Dosa? You bet! Don't think for a minute that healthy eating means giving up on the good stuff. We're going to show you how to make delicious and nutritious millet-based pancakes and dosas that are perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Traditional pancakes and dosas can be heavy on refined flour, which can spell trouble for your liver. But with millet, you get all the flavor and satisfaction without the guilt. Millet flour is naturally gluten-free, making it a fantastic alternative for those with gluten sensitivities. And here's the best part. Millet dosas and pancakes are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them sweet or savory, stuffed with your favorite fillings, or simply with a dollop of yogurt and a drizzle of honey. But here's the real kicker. Millet's high fiber content helps promote healthy digestion and supports your liver's natural detoxification processes. It's a win-win situation. Listen up, you snack fiends. Those sugary protein bars and bags of crisps you're shoveling down are doing your liver no favors. It's time to upgrade your snack game with millet-based energy bars, a convenient, nutrient-dense snack that'll satisfy your cravings and support your liver health. Millet is a powerhouse of essential nutrients, including magnesium, which plays a crucial role in over 300 bodily functions, including liver detoxification. These bars are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, providing sustained energy without the sugar rush and crash. And here's the real genius of millet-based energy bars. You can customize them to your liking. Add in nuts, seeds, dried fruit, or even a touch of dark chocolate for a guilt-free treat that's as delicious as it is nutritious. So ditch those processed snacks and embrace the power of millet. Your liver and your taste buds will thank you for it. There you have it, you Muppets. 5 delicious and easy ways to incorporate millet into your diet and give your liver the love it deserves. Remember, a healthy liver is a happy liver, and a happy liver means a happier, healthier you. No more excuses for neglecting your liver, all right? It's time to ditch the processed crap, embrace whole foods, and start cooking with millet. Your body will thank you for it. Now go forth and conquer the kitchen, you lot. And remember, if you can't stand the heat, get out of my kitchen.